too beautiful, girl. That's why it'll never work. You have me suicidal, suicidal. When you say it's over, damn all these beautiful.
What the hell is she doing? What the f is she doing? Oh, she just f***ed up everybody's grass. Oh shit. Oh shit, she just f***ed up everybody's grass. What's up, YouTube? Haven't done that in a minute.
You want to go explore?
Hell yeah.
Alright. Construction site.
I'm down as long as it doesn't f up my bike. After you. Ladies first, you know. Yep. Ah, I stalled it. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck happened. Oh, I think I was in a higher gear. See, this GP shit keeps fucking me up. I'm gonna stop right here and then, like, you know, check out what's going on and then pull my bike up. Because I don't want to go up there and then have the train come and be like, oh,
Not do that.
yeah, exactly. I kind of like my bike, bro. I think we should be good for like a good few minutes.
Good, dude. I've taken pictures on the track. I don't know which way the train comes from.
It doesn't matter. Either way, we're Go. That scared the shit out of me, bro. So aside from almost getting hit by a train, that's all I have for y'all. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Get up and follow your dream, because that's the only way you'll get close to it, bro.
Young God when I ride up, not too many that can fuck with me.